Hi everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, what we are going to show you is like how we can create your first React application. So for using a React application, what we can do is we can use a command line utility npx create React app, and we can install our first React application. So let me quickly jump on to the demo how we can create a React application. So what I have done is like I have gone to my tutorials folder. Over here what I will do is I will open the command prompt and I will run the command npx create react app my web app. So basically I am telling npx to create a React application which the name for which should be my web app. So as soon as I hit enter, it will start creating all the files and download all the packages into my repository. So as you can see that it has already created the files, or like it has created the package, and now it's like still in working state. So this is going to take some time. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to complete. So let's wait for 2 minutes. So as you can see, our React application was successfully installed. We are getting some commands like npm start, npm run build, npm test, npm run eject. So what I will do is I will use the command cd my web app. So basically I am navigating to my application folder. So let me quickly show you what we have got in our application folder. So these are the files that were generated using the npx create react app command. So if I run npm start command over here, my application should be up and running. So it's starting the development server. Boom. So as you can see, the application is up and running. So if you have successfully installed or created the React application, then you should get similar to this kind of page. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like icon